Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Core and quarter 1 medium head of green cabbage, about 5 pounds, then slice quarters into thin 1/8-inch ribbons for classic coleslaw texture. Hold the knife at a slight angle and use a rocking motion to keep slices even. Uniform pieces avoid watery slaw. Add 1 medium carrot, peeled and julienned, and half a small red onion thinly sliced. Toss with cabbage. Rinse vegetables briefly, spin dry in a salad spinner. Then chill the shredded mix in the refrigerator for 10 minutes to tighten the crunch before dressing. Combine 1/2 cup mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard in a mixing bowl. Whisk until emulsified. Stir in 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon fine salt, and 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper to balance tang and sweetness. For a lighter texture, add 2 to 3 tablespoons milk or buttermilk until the dressing reaches your preferred creaminess. Taste and adjust. Add another 1/2 tablespoon vinegar for brightness or 1/2 teaspoon sugar if too tart. Keep dressing chilled until assembly. Place the chilled shredded cabbage and julienned carrots in a large bowl and pour dressing over them. Use 2 to 3 minutes of gentle tossing to coat thoroughly without bruising. Transfer the assembled coleslaw to a covered container and chill for at least 30 minutes, or up to 4 hours, so the flavors meld and the cabbage softens slightly. Before serving, taste and adjust seasoning with a pinch of salt or 1 teaspoon vinegar if needed. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, and stir before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.